Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your Beats Studio Buds to your MacBook Air. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to connect their Beats Studio Buds to their MacBook Air. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but first what we're going to do is that we're going to go into our system settings on our MacBook Air, and then next we're going to click on Bluetooth, which is this button right here. Now, once you click on Bluetooth, you're going to see that your MacBook Air starts to look for nearby Bluetooth devices. Now is when you're going to take your Beats Studio Buds, open them up, and then you want to press this center button right over here. So click and hold it until the flashing white light appears. So as you can see, it's now flashing and blinking. So now we'll try to find our Beats Studio Buds, which is this right over here. These Studio Buds, and then click on connect. So once it's connected, you should see your Beats Studio Buds appear right over here, and also the case will be a solid white to indicate that it's been connected. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your Beats Studio Buds to your MacBook Air. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.